Hello and welcome to day 5, Friday, May 21st. It is our last day in our last week in Unit 4. So we are done with Unit 4 and we're done with the book after today. Let's see what you have to do. It's Friday. That means it's an async day. I will be available um, from 10 to 11 to look at evidence and also to help people with anything that they need to upload to the Maestro program for to have ready for Monday. Um, thank you everyone who texted me yesterday. Um, hopefully you will see me today. I had an emergency with my child, so everything is okay. It was just last minute and I couldn't be in class. But thank you for your text and your thoughts. So let's see what you have to do. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async and you'll do an article about the 3 legendary women, and you are going to in write about each problem and the solution that the women had. Each woman had a problem and a solution to their problem. So you're going to write a paragraph about each problem and solution. And then your next one is your POV. So in Flipgrid, you're going to record your POV. Remember, your POV is your point of view, your personal experience with the topic. Okay? So this is to practice the speaking and pronunciation because we will be doing more short clips of our essays. So this is first is your POV. So make sure you record it so I can see your POV. And that's it for today. If you have any questions, you know how to find me. Good luck.